Hi friends, this is Bijita. Welcome to my channel once again. Today in this video I'll show you the extension of a material, how to extend a material. Now I'm in MM03 screen and I hope you all are familiar with this screen as it is a very basic of MM. Now I'm going to display one of my material, that is the pen drive. I'm selecting all the views and I'm going inside a plant, that is ABC. So it will be displayed. Now the purpose of displaying the same is this material pen drive exists in plant ABC, but it does not exist in some other plants. So my motive is to get this material extended to the other plants as well. So I'm displaying the pen drive material under the organization unit ABC plant. The creation, accounting one, see plant ABC. So the pen drive material exists in ABC plant. Now I'm coming back and again I'm in MM03 screen, again selecting all these views and again going to the plant AAA in order to show you that it does not exist in the AAA plant. See, the error message has come, material pen drive does not exist in plant AAA. Now I'll get this plant extended in AAA plant. Now how to do that? I have to go to the material master creation screen, that is mm01/n mm01. Now here in the transaction mm01, the pen drive material will be extended to the AAA plant. This is the mm01 screen. Now my material is pen drive. I'll be selecting the industry sector and the material type. It is retail and material type will be the finished product. Yes, chosen. Now just pressing enter. Now you have to select the views which all you want to extend to the new plant. Say I'm selecting the basic data 1, basic data 2, and then I'm scrolling down and I'll be selecting the last 4, accounting 1, accounting 2, costing 1 and costing 2. These 4 I'll be selecting. Accounting 1, accounting 2, yes, the 4 views are now selected. Now I am just pressing enter or clicking on the continue button. See, it is asking for the plant. Now here you have to enter the plant wherein you want this material to be extended. Now I want this material to be extended under plant AAA. I have given that. Now pressing enter, going inside. Yes, system says this material already exists and will be extended. Perfectly fine, it already exists, correct, but it doesn't exist under AAA. Now it will be extended under AAA. That's what system is saying. So you have to fill up accordingly. I have chosen the price control S, and in standard price I have not given anything. Let me give something. Let me put 100. Going to accounting 2. Okay, it is asking for the valuation class. Yes, I forgot to enter the valuation class here. I have to provide the valuation class. Yes, I'm putting the valuation class here. 7920 I would select as it is for the finished product. So valuation class given. Now I'm going to the accounting 2 tab. Nothing is to be given. Costing 1 tab. Let me check whether I can give anything there or not. With quantity structure is already ticked on. That's what I had to tick on, which is already done now. And nothing. Costing lot size is also given. Costing 2. Valuation class is already taken from accounting 1 tab. Standard price is already taken from accounting 1 tab. Now I am going to the basic data 1 and basic data 2. Selectable. Okay, basic data is not selectable as it is the common view which is already there, as I had created the same earlier, and it is not any plan dependent. Hence, once I had created the pen drive material under the basic data 1 and 2 tab, as it was common, as it was not plan dependent, it itself got created. So now I have got this extended under the plan AAA. Now I'll just click on the save button, thus it will be extended. I have clicked on the save button. Now it will take a bit time in order to save, and once it is saved, system will give you a success message. It will take a bit time in order to display the success message. Pen drive material pen drive created, perfectly fine. So now I'm going to the mm03 screen once again. mm03 pen drive is the material. Keep pressing enter, selecting all the view, and not all view, leave it. I'm deselecting. I have created only 4 views, hence I'm deselecting all. Basic data 1, basic data 2, accounting 1, accounting 2, costing 1, costing 2. Now I'm pressing enter, plan AAA. Pressing enter. Basic data is being displayed, basic data 2 is being displayed. And please note, these two tabs are not, these two views are not any plan dependent. So under any plan that you create your material, these two views will be created. Going to the accounting 1 tab. See, plan AAA is there as it has got successfully extended. Accounting 2 is being displayed, costing 1 is being displayed, costing 2 is being displayed. So that's perfect. Material has got extended, so you all know how to extend the material now. So I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, then please like and subscribe the channel, and please share as many as possible. So I'll be come up with the next videos within next few days. So till then, keep watching the channel. Goodbye. Thank you.